What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Cobler Boys. Now today we are going to be making a super cool sand sculpture for you guys. I think you guys are going to love it. We're obviously at the beach. Whenever you see this background in the intro, you will know that we are at the beach since this is our beach, intro.
Yeah, guys, we saw some really cool sand art and sand wording, so we thought we were going to do maybe some sand words, probably write the Cobler Boys in the sand with all 3D and stuff, and probably do the logo. So let's get to the beach.
Alright guys, we're making tons of progress right now. As you can see, I got the little Cobler logo going in the front. Cameron's got the wording in the back. Looking super dope. Obviously this takes a long time. We've been out here working hard for you guys, making the great content. A lot of it's at the beach. This is kind of like a preview. Maybe we'll do this at some point again this summer, but a little bit cooler. We get crazy with the sand castles. This is a little bit of foreshadowing, and we thought we'd kind of bring you that foreshadow to introduce the concept of, what the summer might be like. Some possibilities. And we're also going to see how you guys interact with this. If you guys like this up, comment and share this with your friends, rack up the views on this, then we know what we want to do during the summer. So with that being said, let's get back into it.
SADAWEYA, SADAWEYA in my food. SADAWEYA, SADAWEYA, come keep my friend. SADAWEYA, my SADAWEYA in my food. SADAWEYA, you bring my SADAWEYA.
Alright guys, so it is the next day. We couldn't be there to film this, at the beach because it was getting dark and we had to get home for dinner and we had some other stuff planned last night. But I think it came out so cool. Let's launch into a dope montage of it.
I was lucky as a boy, the mother was up and they keep me warm. And they keep the fire burning. And they wake up and show you a bomb. Well, SADAWEYA, my SADAWEYA in my food. SADAWEYA, them bring my SADAWEYA. SADAWEYA, to never SADAWEYA in my food. SADAWEYA, so they might never SADAWEYA.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want more content like this or want more content like this in the summer, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, and we will know what to post this summer. With that being said, we'll catch you next week on Cobler Boys.